How you doing, guys? Chris here from DJI. Well, DJI is expecting to release a new Mini 3. The new Mini 3 is going to have no obstacle avoidance in the front or rear, but it will be equipped with the same camera as the Mini 3 Pro. The camera itself has unique capabilities like lateral shooting. But since the drone won't come with obstacle avoidance sensors, it's unknown at this time whether you'll get the same autonomous flight modes. The drone, of course, will still be under 250 grams. And a lot of the other features like that unique gimbal, the battery, and new motors with the larger props will be standard on the Mini 3. Unfortunately for this new Mini 3, they're not going to substitute the sensors for lights like they did on the Mini 2. The Mini 3 Pro with the N1 controller costs about $750. When the Mini SE debuted, it debuted for $299, which was about $150 less when the Mini 2 came out, and the Mini 3 I expect will follow the same trend. The Mini 3 won't be bundled with the RC controller, but I do think it'll still be compatible with the RC controller, since both will use the OcuSync 3 technology. I don't think there's anything wrong with the N1 controller, so I don't have a problem with that. I expect this to be released just before Christmas, so stay tuned for more updates about the new Mini 3. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.